world sees it.
No,
Get the fuck away from me.
drop the axe. Drop the axe. Drop the.
On the afternoon of May 8, 2025, at approximately 4:18 p.m., San Diego police were dispatched following a 911 emergency call originating from the Pacific Beach Taylor Branch Library, located at 4275 Cass Street. The dispatcher was informed that an armed individual was inside the building, creating a severe disturbance with a hatchet.
901 Emergency Dispatcher 8876.
Hi, my name's the Pacific Beach Branch Library, 4725 Cass Street. We have a man with an axe in here.
4725 Cass?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your phone number? What is he doing with it?
He's whacking tables with it.
Okay, stay on the line with me. You said your name is...
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm sorry, your phone number one more time. It's coming up different. Is anybody injured?
Not yet.
Okay, stay on the line with me. I'm going to get my officer started. I'm not going to hang up on you. You might hear some clicking. Hold on.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Inside, library security cameras recorded 53-year-old William Hanley approaching the main circulation desk. Footage shows him aggressively displaying a hatchet toward a library staff member. Moving into the adult computer section, Hanley began striking at the electrical cords of empty workstations. Following a verbal altercation with a bystander, he used his weapon to completely destroy one of the computer monitors. After damaging a second terminal in the reading lounge, the suspect eventually circled back toward the front desk. As law enforcement arrived on the scene, Hanley was seen walking along the pavement. Officers repeatedly instructed him to raise his hands and drop the weapon, but he refused to follow these directives. When Officer Blowamendel moved closer, the suspect elevated the hatchet defensively above his head, prompting an officer-involved shooting. Despite continuous orders to disarm and surrender, Hanley verbally refused, stating, "No, I'm going to create a scene and the whole world sees it." As police advanced and continued shouting commands, he drew his arm back and hoisted the weapon, leaving Officer Blowamendel to discharge his firearm.
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Take the axe out. Take the axe out. Put it down. Put it down. Put the axe down.
I'm an army officer.
Put the axe down. Hey, get some distance. Get some distance. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
No. I'm going to create a scene so the whole world sees it.
No,
Get the fuck away from me.
drop the axe. Drop the axe. Drop the. Hey, you got it? I'm gonna go grab. I'm gonna kick the axe away.
Go ahead, down. Take it back. You got it? I got it.
Drop it.
No. I'm going to create a scene so the whole world sees it.
No,
Get the fuck away from me.
drop the axe. Drop the axe.
What follows is a slowed and highlighted segment from the prior footage. It clearly illustrates the suspect rearing his arm back and preparing to swing the hatchet as law enforcement closed the distance.
Get the back for test seal.
Hey, the weapon is still over here.
Yep. Okay.
Got it.
Can you secure that in my car, Swanee?
Make sure nobody touches it, okay?
Yep.
If anybody gets close.
Okay. Keep going here. Yep.
Immediately following the shots, officers transitioned to providing life-saving measures and requested emergency medical services to the location. The suspect was then rushed to a nearby hospital to receive medical treatment for his injuries. Hanley's hatchet was recovered. Fortunately, no law enforcement personnel or innocent bystanders sustained any injuries during this event.